Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having low monthly fuel costs, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include remote start, iPod adapter, hill assist system, MP3, USB audio interface. With these ratings, make a great choice today with the 2014 Sonic. The taut, strong body lines and powerful stance of Chevy Sonic allude to the power you'll find under its hood. Throw a little extra power into the mix with the available turbocharged engine. So where's the sweet spot? Behind the wheel, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, touring suspension, electronic parking brake, alloy wheels, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, braking assist. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.